Guys, after 5,000 hours and carpal tunnel from hitting F5, I got it. A graphics card in 2021. Now, I will say the thing about this graphics card is I kind of cheated. I didn't actually win the graphics card by hitting F5 or beating a bot. I was actually on Discord while everyone in the world was trying to refresh for Best Buy and get a graphics card. Someone won one. I DM'd him and I was like, what's your old card? And it happened to be a card I was looking for. So finally, I got myself a RTX 3070. Okay, so I got the graphics card, and the other day I ordered the case because the case I want is not easy to get. And now, lucky for us, we're close to a Micro Center, so my boy Jess and I are heading out to go to Micro Center. So we had to get Jess a quick lunch break before going to eat food. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four tin foil.
4 tin foil for one Five Guys burger. Driving tax. Actually, you drove, but it is what it is.
Excellent.
So Jess, one of our teachers in high school used to call this place Computer Nerd Mecca.
Yeah, no, this is the Wonderland of computer.
It's heaven. There.
Be smarter than
This is the first time I've ever used a cart here because every time I just need like a flash drive or something. So remember, Jess, strict budget, strict budget, strict budget. There's the budget. I have a budget. I have a budget. I have a budget. Guys, the budget's been changed. Apparently this is a really, really, really good deal. No, it is. I actually checked online. This is a killer deal. It's like $150 cheaper than anywhere else. So of course I had to get it. Dang. Okay, guys. We couldn't get everything today, but we found some more deals online. So the budget may be okay. Not quite sure. We're gonna find out when the receipt comes in. It's gonna be sad either way. Whew! In budget! But I didn't get everything, so not completely in budget. I mean, it's definitely in budget.
I think they'll be in budget.
I think I will. I think I will. So we're good. In budget. Guys, it's build day. A week after, it's like 6 days after buying all the parts. And Amazon shipped the last stick of RAM. Wherever, the RAM.
It's not RAM.
Last night. Too late to actually build the thing. So here we are, building the...
You tried.
Yeah, I tried. They didn't ship the RAM. I ordered it last week. They didn't throw it on the truck till yesterday at noon. That means it was like probably at the warehouse down the street, and they didn't ship it out.
In Etna, probably.
Yeah, probably. So here we are, building the thing. Mini ITX build. I've never built a small computer, so this is going to be quite the experience.
Me neither.
Let's go. And to keep with budget, this was an open box option. Bless up, saved 40 bucks. Bless. Board's done. We're done. Right? Right. It's gonna be a grand old time. This goes on the floor. Of everything, I've seen most of these components. I mean, everyone knows what RAM looks like. But the case is the exciting one because this case is not made in America. It's, I believe, made in the UK? Or it's a UK company? Anyway, not something that you can just go to the store and find. I had a special order. It took forever to get here. And here it is. But shout out to the company that I ordered this from. What is it? Quiet PC USA. I messaged them and they just threw in a 10% off just because I asked them if there was any sale on it. So, here it is. I'm really excited to see this. This is like the big... I actually saw this case and this was like, hey, we're doing mini ITX because of this case. So I'm real excited. Come on. Look at this thing.
Can you put a wipe?
No, yeah, I'll get it in a minute. Wow. This is small. It's about, a fourth the size of your case?
Probably. It's so small.
This is fantastic. I'm real excited about this. It's good looking too. Of course, went with the ugly fans because you got to. They're the coolest. And airflow in. It's been like 4 hours. It's done. And it took us a long time. Guys, this has been a disaster. I spent the last 4 days troubleshooting this PC. It works. And actually, I've been gaming on it. But I had to underclock the CPU and undervolt it. And it still runs pretty high. Idles at 50 Celsius. So going to Micro Center, gonna buy the Ryzen 5 5600X and see how they compare temps wise at idle. Because I know that one runs a lot cooler than the Ryzen 7. Here we go. As much as a hassle this has all been, props to these guys here at Micro Center. Their service is great. And even though they make commission, they actually give excellent advice, even in a budget. Like, always listen to these guys. Guys, it's been a week, but I finally got it built and finished. It's been a week since I actually assembled it, and I have it together. I ended up going with the Ryzen 5. The Ryzen 7 ran way too hot, gaming in the 90s, and that's with a liquid cooler. And the Ryzen 5... I can run the fans on silent. It idles so low. Gaming at 75. How it should be. Check out how beautiful this setup is.